Hello everybody, my name is Urvi and I create videos on the Tier to PR pathway. I'm giving you regular updates on Tier to PR pathway, immigration in Canada. So if this content interests you, please consider subscribing to my channel. It really means a lot to me. In this video specifically, we will be talking about how to submit your missing documents such as police clearance or any other documents which you made mistakes and you want to submit an updated form, how to submit that and get it linked to your Tier to PR application. So in this video, I'm going to show you step by step on how to do that. All right. So the first step is go to this link, IRCC webpub. You can even Google it, but I have added this link in the description below so that you don't have to go anywhere. Just check my description, click that link. Once you do that, this page will appear and then you have to scroll down. If you have time, go through it, read the instructions, read the information. And this inquiry section, you have to start filling up this form. Alright, so first question is type of application inquiry. So this would be your permanent residence applied online. The next step would be another question around which stream. So this will be permanent residence applied on online express entry. Unfortunately, that's the only option you have, so you have to select it. And then you have an open text for your inquiry. So I have pre-written this message for you, but you can definitely make tweaks to make this message your own, customize this is just one of the ways you can write this message. So what I've done is here I am telling IRCC officer clearly what I am requesting them to do and what changes I want to make in my application, right? So dear IRCC officer, I have applied for permanent residency under Tier to PR pathway, international graduate stream, or whatever stream you have applied under, and my submission time was this XXX, and I submitted from this city, and all the information I can give them so that they can identify my application. So once I do that in the first sentence or first couple of sentences, what is my situation, which application I'm talking about. The next is what my request is. So during the application, I was not able to upload the PCC due to delays in the PCC processing. Whatever reasons, you can list all of your reasons here, make a good case. And then recently I have received my police clearance and I'm attaching the same. So kindly link my documents which I'm attaching with this web form to my application under the Tier to PR pathway, right? So that's the messaging I'm giving them. And then lastly, I will look forward to your confirmation on the same. Thank you so much. Right, so that's the message. Now notice that you have 1500 characters to write your message, so make sure you highlight your key point, what exactly you want them to do. In this case, I'm taking an example that I want my PCC, which I'm submitting through this web form, being attached to my Tier to PR pathway so that I don't receive any missing PCC request, right? I'm proactive and I want to submit my documents upfront. So that's the case. So I have done that, I've explained my case. Now I will have to fill in the remaining section. So the next section you have is your applicant information. So this is your family name, given name, email address, date of birth, country of birth. Alright, so all of this information, make sure it is exactly same as your Tier to PR application pathway. It's exactly same as your Tier to PR pathway application. And UCI number, UCI is unique client identification number, and you'll find it on your student visa, work visa, student permit or work permit. It will be on the top right of your student and work permit. So you can add that number here, whatever that number is, and then application number, you have two options. If you have received AOR, then you already have the application number, so you can add it here. If you have not received AOR, one of the options you have is to call the IRCC, and I will link the number in the description below. So call them, say that you have applied under the Tier to PR pathway, and can you give me my temporary application number. So your temporary application number starts with X, so you should be able to get this number and add it here. Alright, so if you're not able to find your application number, that is also fine. You can keep this field blank and move forward. They should be able to link your documents to the application. If not, you can follow up through a call as well. Okay, so this is how you fill your application number, your telephone number, your mobile number is straightforward. And then your inquiry information is just more information about you. So select from the list. Definitely you are an applicant yourself submitting this, so say applicant, add family name, given name, email address, whatever you fill in the first section will auto populate here. So after you fill in all the information, just do a double check, make sure everything is good, all of the fields are populated correctly, and then you read the agreement and say yes, I agree with terms and condition, and move on. Right, so the next step is, now the real thing is to upload your document. So here, case specific inquiry, you say, do you want to include a document? I want to say yes, I want to include a document. And here you choose your file, like your PCC, your corrected forms, and any other documents which you want to add to your application to make it strong. You can add it here. Notice that they have a limit of 2 MB per file and 3.5 MB overall. If you have multiple files, the maximum size can be 3.5 MB, and it can be only in PDF, JPEG, TIFF, doc, or docs format, right? So these are the formats acceptable, so make sure your documents are already in this format. Usually it will be PDF, but if there are any other formats, these are the formats they can accept. So choose the file from your local computer, upload it. Once it's uploaded, your size will appear here, so you already know what is the size, and then finally you click on the submit button. Okay, once you click on the submit button, your web form is now submitted. You will get an email saying that thank you for your web form, you have received your web form, and we have 5 business days to look into your web form. So this is the standard level agreement they have. They take 5 business days to look at the web form. There might be some delays due to vacations or whatnot, but usually that's the rule. So within the 5 business days, or even like around 5 business days, you'll get another reply from them saying that we have received your police clearance certificate, we have forwarded to the right officer, and they will be able to link it to your application. Or they can say, we have already linked it to the right application, we have here's the confirmation. So depending on the case, they'll reply to you. And what you can additionally do, if your PCC is not yet linked after 5 business days, you can call IRCC again and nudge them and say, hey, I submitted the web form, I applied on the tier 2 PR pathway, this is the information, can you confirm that you have received my documents and you have attached it to my tier 2 PR application. So that's something you can do additionally after the 5 business day. Give them time, 5 business days to work on it, and once that 5 business days or 6 business days happen, you can call them, nudge them, and get the confirmation from them. So that way you can close the loop on this entire document submission process, and you can relax a bit that your document is now attached to the tier 2 PR pathway. So guys, so this is the end-to-end process on how to upload your documents for tier 2 PR pathway. If you have any further questions, as always, put in the comments below. I'll be more than happy to answer your questions. Also, if you have done this process before, share in the comments below and help out others as well. That would be a great opportunity for you to help out others. I hope you are enjoying my videos and enjoying my regular updates as well. So please subscribe to my channel, link and comment. I will see you in my another video. Meanwhile, take care, all the very best, and see you later. Bye.